Hi everyone, my name is Julieta Diaz. Today we're going to be focusing on cleansing ourselves, cleansing our soul, cleansing our minds, our spirit. And I like to think of this as being on the rain, a warm summer rain where water is slowly pouring. And I always imagine that I am outside and having a child like moment, and suddenly I'm becoming very aware of the rain. And what the rain does is pretty amazing, yeah? Because it cleanses the earth, and like the rain cleanses the earth, I want you to feel that you release all your worries and all your fears. And each raindrop carries away all of your stress, you feel that you are left refreshed and renewed. With every drop that falls, you feel lighter and more at peace. The rain soothes your mind, washing away your tension and your doubt. Just as the storm passes, your troubles are only temporary. Allow the rain to purify your thoughts and bring clarity. Each gentle drop reminds you to let go and trust the flow of life. Like the earth after the rain, you will emerge refreshed and full of new energy. Feel and hear the rhythm of the rain. This rhythm will calm your soul and bring you inner peace. Surrender your stress to the rain, knowing you are always supported. Just as rain nourishes the soil, your challenges help you grow. Welcome the cleansing rain and release what no longer serves you. The storm within you is quieted by soft embrace of the rain. As the raindrops fall, feel your burdens melting away from you. You are free, flowing like water, unattached to fear or worries. The rain reminds you that renewal is always possible. You breathe in calmness, just as the earth breathes in the rain. Like rivers refreshed by rainfall, you are constantly renewed and strengthened. Every drop whispers peace. Every shower brings serenity. You dance in the rain of life, free of stress and full of joy, and in touch with your childhood. And as a child, you see the world with childlike wonder, and you welcome all that is new, and you release a little bit of the control that is holding you back. I hope this helps you in some way to get through the day, and we'll see you back tomorrow. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening. If you are enjoying this and want to help me, please subscribe. Thank you.